Hello, crazy people. Here is Mr. Wall Street. Yes, again. Let me welcome you to the world of finance. Like I said in all my previous videos, it is only entertainment and education purpose only. I'm not here to advise you on anything. So you crazy people cannot sue me if I'm wrong. Because like I said, people are always wrong and the market is always right. Okay, today we're going to have a look at two currency pairs, the Euro USD and the British Pound USD. Okay, so let's start with the Euro USD. Okay, like I do always, let me start to do my support and resistance so we have a better look at what the market is telling us. Okay, so here resistance, here resistance, here support, here support, and here support. And we are looking at the Euro USD 1/4. So that means every 3 months. 1 bar representing 3 months. Okay, what the market is telling us, it's right here where we have a red signal. It's a selling opportunity because we have a bearish engulfing pattern here. A bearish engulfing pattern, it's when the red candlestick engulfs the previous green candlestick. And here we have the same outlook. Here we have the same also. Here, a bearish engulfing pattern. It's when the red candlestick is engulfing the previous green candlestick. Okay? And in the market, when we have a resistance at the same level as the previous engulfing pattern, bearish engulfing pattern, so we have more chance the market to turn at that point. So basically right here, this is what's happened. Okay, and the Euro USD in January 2001 had completed that pattern, and now we are heading into two key levels. The first one is at 1.086. The second one is at 10640, and the main one, what I will consider it where we are going to arrive, it's at 1.0340. Okay, so what we are looking at, it's basically this here, 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 here. That's the key levels in here. Okay, so normally what I will hope, it's we will see the market rally at 1.034, not rally, going down to 1.0340. Okay, so normally this is what we are looking at, a bearish momentum. And if we see the market stopping at 1.0860, and we have here a bullish engulfing pattern, so I will post a video and have a look. Yeah, okay, but right now I think we are heading to 1.0340 for the Euro USD. So let's have a look on the monthly chart. Okay, on the monthly chart, let me clean this up a little bit. Okay, on the monthly chart, we are seeing right now there's no limit. there's no resistance or support. It's only at those two key levels. Yeah. Okay. So, and here we are seeing the leg. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Around here, 5 here, or extended 5. Okay. And after when we are when we're coming at those key levels, we can have a look for a bullish momentum. But right now we are on the sellout. Yeah. Okay. So let's check out the weekly quickly. The weekly chart also. Let me clean this out. On the weekly also we can see bearish engulfing pattern here, showing us the market is on the selling side right now, and this red candlestick confirming it. Okay, and here is my signal algorithm here, and let's have a look on the daily. Also the daily we can see this whole proper, and here let's put some trends here. And here. Okay, so we can see that was a correction, and now we are heading down. Okay, so that was the Euro USD. So now let's have a look at the British pound on the quarterly. Okay, here too, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do what I love to do. It's the resistance and the support. Okay, here is the resistance, and here is support. And also what we can see, it's on both sides, on both pairs, the euro and the British pound, we have a box range. So that means it's a square where the market is hitting up, going down again, hitting it again, and going down. Okay, so here too, this is the same scenario. We can see we have a bearish engulfing pattern here. Let me do it again. Here, bearish engulfing pattern, and here also you can see it. Okay, and when we have this, that's a good scenario, because it's telling us you are more likely to have a reversal when the market have already hit one resistance. Here you have the bearish engulfing pattern, and here also a shooting star with the bearish engulfing pattern. Yeah. Okay. The red candlestick engulfing one but two green candlestick, and here this is more of a confirmation, and also it's at a resistance. And what we're seeing right now, here we have first a small support level here at 1.3150, and after we have another one 1.2830, and after the main one at 1.2020. And what I'm looking at, what I see in the market, it's the same scenario as the euro Euro USD, and we're seeing the same as the British pound USD here and here. This is what we're seeing, but with some key resistance here, key support, sorry, here on here. Okay, so this is a scenario, and also we can see the British pound, it's heading downward. Okay, so let's have a look on the monthly chart. Okay, monthly chart with my algorithm signal trigger here. We are looking on the sell. Let me clear this out also. Okay, let's have a look on the weekly. Okay, on the weekly chart also we have a confirmation of the bearish momentum with bearish engulfing pattern also here. Okay, so we can see the first support here will be at 1.3175. Let's have a look on the daily. On the daily, we can see the signal have been triggered here. Okay, on the short side, and also we are looking at a minor support here. Okay, looking at the minor support. If probably this hit this support and not breaking it, you can maybe see a short-term correction on this area. Okay, and after probably we're going to see the market going down again. But anyway, I will check it out during those coming days, and to see if like the market will come to that level. But what I see, the long term, this is what I see right now. We are going to hit that level, and after on the longer term, on the way longer term, on the monthly and quarterly, we are seeing to head down during that level. And if there is any changes, because here we are looking at the support, and it's quite important support around 1315. If we don't see a break around that support line and the market heading up here and breaking that resistance, we can see a bearish scenario. But right now I'm looking more at the downside. Yeah, okay, so that was those two markets on the quarterly of the euro and British pound. Let me take this out. Okay, so we can see we are in the bearish momentum. Okay, the outlook is more on the downside. It's the British pound and the euro too. Let me take this out to clean it up a little bit. Yeah, we can see a bearish momentum also here. Okay, so my crazy people, Mr. Wall Street is out, and I hope I will see you in the next coming weeks. Yeah, okay, God bless you and have a nice weekend. Mr. Wall Street is out.